How to register a Bitget account. Hi everyone, Bitget is an exchange that supports various cryptocurrencies and offers many attractive reward programs. In this video, I'll show you how to register a Bitget account. To register an account and get special offers from Bitget, visit coinaz.net/Bitget. Or click on the link to register a Bitget account in the description of this video. Let's get started. This is the Bitget account registration page. First, enter your email or mobile. Next, enter your password. Here are the password requirements. Please refer to the example on the screen. Click here to agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. Then click Create Account. Please select in this order to complete the captcha. A verification code will be sent to your email. Please check your email. This is an email that Bitget sent to me. If you don't see the emails in your inbox, click More. Then check the spam folder. Now, I'll open the email. This is the verification code. Please copy this code. Then paste it here. Your account has been successfully created. Now, you need to complete identity verification to access all Bitget services. Click Verify now. Click Verify. First, select your country region of residence and issuing country region. Next, choose the ID type. There are three options: ID card, passport, and driving license. I'll choose ID card. Then, click Continue. Click here to confirm. Then click Next. Click here to turn on the camera. Now, you will take a photo of the front side of your document. Please place the document front side within the frame with the edges aligned, then click here to take the photo. If the photo is clear and all information is visible, click Accept. If you want to retake the photo, click Try again. Similarly, please take a photo of the back side of your document. This is the face verification step. Click I'm ready. Then, follow Bitget's instructions to complete the verification process. Identity verification is under review. The review is expected to be completed within 1 hour. Click Back. Now, I'll show you how to secure your account. First, click Security. These are the available two-factor authentication methods. Now, I'll guide you through setting up Google Authenticator. Click Configure. The first step is to download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Now I'll show you how to download the app. First, open App Store. If your phone uses the Android operating system, open Google Play. Type the name of the app as shown on the screen. This is the app you need to download. Click here to download the app. Click Open. Click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Click Add a code. Then select Scan a QR code. Authenticator wants to use your camera. Click Allow. Now scan the QR code provided by Bitget in Step 2. You've successfully created the code on the Google Authenticator app. Now go back to the Bitget website. Enter the code from the Google Authenticator app. This is the code generated by the app for me. Once you've entered it, click Submit. Now you need to security verification. Click Send. A verification code will be sent to your email. Go to your email, get the code, and enter it here. Click Confirm. You have successfully enabled security authentication using the Google Authenticator app. Similarly, you can enable other authentication methods by following Bitget's instructions. I've just shown you how to register a Bitget account. Wishing you success.